Nirta brug het liggits of ter wêrelds biggest stadiums, FIFA World Cup 2026 erupts into 'n global celebration of passion, triumphs, and unforgettable voetbalmoments. From the crowded streets of host cities to the roaring fans filling every seat, the atmosphere becomes electric as the best players on earth to step onto the pitch with the determination in their eyes. The sound of whistlers, chanting crowds, and pounding drums builds alongside the breathtaking goals, last second service, emotional victories, and heartbreaking defeats. Every match feels like a battle for immortality as nations unite behind their flags, creating moments that will be remembered forever. As fireworks explode across the night sky and the golden trophy scenes at the center of it all, the world watches in anticipation for the net legend to rise and climb footballers' greatest prize at FIFA World Cup 2026.